Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. मेरा नाम Muhammad Ammar bin Abdullah from Malaysia. I would like to express my gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa taala which enable me and my friends to visit this Abu Bakar Islamic University. I came here to visit the institution in which my young brother Nik Roshdi bin Abdullah has studied here about 30 years ago. And then after that, he came back to Malaysia, continue his study in International Islamic University. And after that, he become a teacher in one of the school under government of Malaysia. And this year, he's going to retire because he's going to reach 60 years old. In Malaysia, when you reach 60 years old, you have to retire. And then you stop to work with the government. In fact, I planned to come here many times, but due to circumstances, I was not able to come here. Only this year, with the grant of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, I came here. I came here, in fact, to attend a conference, the conference of the speakers. We call it Commonwealth Parliamentary Association for Asia and also Southeast Asia region. And this year, the conference is conducted or held in Karachi in the Provincial Assembly of Sindh. So today is the second day. So I took the opportunity to come here and to see this university and meet some people. I like to thank you, Mr. Dr. Muhammad Tahir Asif, Naib Mudir Jamiah Abu Bakar, who welcomed us and entertain us, our group about 7 people. I would like also to express gratitude to this institution for giving the opportunity to my brother to study, to learn about our religion, and then now he's able to spread the message of our religion to people and can educate our kids in our own country. So because of that guidance, and also when he come back to Malaysia, he benefit a lot. During that time, many Malaysians study in this institution, but nowadays there is no Malaysian. No, I was told that no foreigner. So we hope in the future, maybe another Malaysians can come to study and benefit from this institution. I hope that this institution will continue and grow bigger than present day. That's all which I can say. And I again express my gratitude. Thank you very much for our Dr. Tahir and also everybody here who accept our visit. Although this is not pre-arranged, we come here just on the spot, but still you accept us and entertain us. Thank you very much, brother. See you in future, inshallah.